Let's look at another 2-card combination, the Knight of Swords. Information rushing in, so knowledge coming quickly, news coming quickly. Somebody really, as you can see, this horse is rushing in. Together with the 6 of Pentacles, which is equal give and take, giving to the one, giving to the other one. It could also be you decide who you want to give to. So I feel this is definitely maybe making a rushed decision on who to give a donation to, making a rushed decision on who should, say this could be your 2 children and who's going to be inheriting what. This is definitely something where there is an urgency, maybe there's an urgency to spend money and you have to calculate and think who needs to receive, who is, in whose benefit it is to receive. But there's definitely a rush, an urgency, thoughts and words relating to equal giving and receiving of money or resources.